Yo, what's up everyone, it's Hannes again and welcome back to WrapStyle Mauritius, where I am right now. I am at the harbor in Port Louis. We got an exciting project for the moment. We are wrapping up boats and then it's a next level thing for us. Super excited for this one, still working on it, and yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful place here. It's the first time that I'm here at the harbor. I didn't expect to have this such a nice scenery. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my time over here, working with the boys. I'm gonna give you updates as always, and don't forget also to likes and subscribes on our YouTube channel, because all the videos now, like I mentioned to you, all the videos are on YouTube now. So make sure you do that right away. Anyway, I gotta get back to the boys, helping them to work things or two. I'll see you back very soon. Guys, as you can see, we are working here. I'm at the scaffolding, trying to helping the boys, and also it's a lot of work. It's not easy, but you know how we are. We're gonna manage everything, and then yeah. So we're gonna wrap on the right side first, and then we're gonna go down. We're gonna wrap the down part as well, and after that, we're gonna move over to the other place, to the other side. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna apply the same method. We're gonna wrap the whole thing at the top, and go down. And after that, we will see. Guys, as you can see now, we are already working on the left side of the boat, because we already finished with the right side of the boat. We are applying a different method here on the left part. We wrapping the down part first, and after that we're gonna go wrap the top part. So still a lot of work, but yeah, me and my boys getting it done, and then let me get back to the boys and see what they are up to. So guys, that's a wrap for the boat. It was such a great experience for us to wrap such a boat. It's not easy, like I told you earlier, but you know how we are. We are WrapStyle. We strive our best to do our work into perfection. And if you want to go for big fishing activities, you can contact them directly at the Performance One. You can go catch a tuna or even a shark. So you decide what you want to catch. So you can contact them directly at the Performance One. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate all your likes, your comments, subscribers. Really appreciate it a lot. Have a good day, guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Peace.